are shooting our first video shoot.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay. Who you got with you?
We got Jackson, our cousins, our auntie, our uncle, our dad,
Granny,
dad, grandma.
our awesome videographer.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Let's go. Let's do it. All right, Allie, let's go. Bella, get ready. Allie, move around some more. Give it some energy. Bella, it's almost your turn. Some more movement.
There you go.
Allie. All right, babe, you can stop.
Look, y'all want me looking towards him though. Y'all ready? Whenever you guys are ready. All right.
It's coming.
Ready, set. All right, look right here.
Can Blake hold her? Can he pick her up? Or his arm won't let him?
Yeah. Do it again. All right, so let us know.
No, this is just nonsense.
What?
Jackson, you keep getting close, so she gonna tap on it. That is creep like. I don't like it. Okay.
All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Let's do it one more time. Ready?
You want this one to smile?
No smile. Sorry.
Okay, no, you're good. No, you are good. When you're running from the top, are you filming them? Are you going to film them in the same frame, or do you want to separate them out at all?
This could be like the individual.
Okay. Some together, some apart?
Yeah, let's do one take where you guys are together, and then we'll do 2 different takes where they're by themselves.
Got it. Okay. babe. You can kill it. Get started. Skylar, this is Bella. It's our other Bella. That's Skylar. And her brother Blake. This is little Bella.
This is the shortest one.
Jackson. Oh, there go Cruz. What Cruz about to do when he see y'all? Cruz. Cruz, you gotta dance or rap the song or something. Cruz, do it. Do it, Cruz. He making me mad. We don't want no robot. Come on, man. All right, who next? Jackson, come on, Jack. Jackson, come on, man. All right, Jackson, go ahead. All right, move, Jackson. Allie and Bella, get in the middle. Get in the middle. Bella, pick somebody. Go in. Do something. All right, 2 more. Switch out. Everybody get a turn. I mean, if you want one. Go, Gray Sky. Y'all got to hype her up. Go, little Bella. Yeah. Hey, Phoebe. Turn your energy up. Cruz, come on. Jackson. Wave your hand or something. Granny, you going to get in the middle of this circle? Yes. Whatever you can do. Helping Prime. Thanks, Prime. Man, get out the circle. Start it over, Sophia.
Y'all looking, y'all dancing, okay?
No. Go, Bella. There you go. There you go. Prime, get in there. Let Prime get in there. Come on, Prime. You so cute. You so cute, Prime. Okay, Gray. Go, Gray. Hey. Let's go. Come on, Fifi. Okay, tap Allie in. Go, Allie. Go. Hey. Crew, yeah, do that. Yeah, I like that little hop. Fifi, your turn, Fifi.
Okay, go Bella.
Go, Bella. Go, girl. Come on, Fee. Okay. Hey. Go ahead, Fee. Go, Fee. Dang. He don't want to. Can't make him do it. You want to do it? You want to do it with Bella? Hey. Oh. Hey. At the red place. It's called In My Bag Collection. Now you got your whole crew over here, don't you? Be careful, babies. Hi.
If you could have one of those chairs, I'd probably go with the black one.
I want the green one.
You're not coming in here. I can see right now. It's very limited up in here. I don't want no problems. What exactly? I thought that it was the lady that she's coming to unlock it. Let's go. Bella, turn it up. Go ahead, Bella. Come on, Bella. Turn it up some more. Dance it out. Come on. Smile. Go, Allie. Come on, Bella, your turn. Do it, my sister. Turn it up, Bella. Yeah. Keep dancing, Bella. Come on. Use your hands. Yeah. Your verse coming, Bella. Hold up and do it like us. Come on, Bella. Sing it. Get right in. Very good. Very. Uh-huh. Smile. Yeah. Come on, Bella. Uh-huh. Can't stop. Do this part. I do my dance. Smile. Smile. Get ready for your part, Bella. Come on, Bella.
See how I move to the beat, quick on my feet, I'm off the leash. Every move so unique, so used to win and do this every week. Different and never the same.
And take our rain. You about to sing, Bella. Look at your sister. Do it, my sister. Come on. Hands in. Come on, hands in, hands in. Let's go. Let's go. Hands in, hands in. Jack, where Cruz at? You gonna put your hand in? Let Skylar get in there.
There's too much space left.
Here come the space filler. Here he come.
Wait,
Come on, Cruz, get your hand in there. All right, here we go. On 3, you're gonna say that's a wrap. 1, 2, 3.
That's a wrap!